this video, we'd like to talk about a very special surgical treatment system that we offer here at Antai Hospital that is putting the patient's interest, safety, well-being, and her quality of life first. So this treatment system is known as our 414 surgical treatment system. Now it's primarily specific to a few specific conditions that I will be describing later, but it's also used against hysterectomy being practiced widely today in this world for many women. So certain conditions, we actually do not need hysterectomy to be the last form of treatment so that we can save this patient. Here at Antai Hospital, we believe that hysterectomy should only be conducted when there's invasive cancer, and then the second scenario is a life-threatening situation that is threatening the patient. With this hysterectomy, the patient's life will be saved, and then we will conduct this hysterectomy. A lot of conditions, gynecological conditions, do not require hysterectomy, but yet it is currently one of the most widely practiced treatment for women out there. It's excessively destructive, invasive, causes several long-term side effects that is very devastating and affects women all over the world today. So Antai Hospital offers you a very special treatment system where normally other hospitals will ask you to go for hysterectomy. We instead treat you with our 414 treatment system, and we can avoid hysterectomy. So the 414 stands for a very specific thing. The first 4 means regardless. So regardless of what, really depends on what type of condition you have. So 414 at Antai Hospital is specific to certain conditions such as uterine fibroids, adenomyosis, uterine polyps, in some cases endometriosis as well, where the general treatment in several hospitals is partial hysterectomy or complete hysterectomy, but here at Antai Hospital with our system, we do not need to undergo hysterectomy. So for uterine fibroids, adenomyosis, we say 4 regardless means regardless of quantity, regardless of the age of the patient, regardless of the location of these fibroids, these cysts, this adenomyoma, and also lastly, regardless of the size and quantity. These are the 4 regardless. So the next one is one effective treatment method, which is using hysteroscopic and laparoscopic combined together to treat your condition. Now, this is one of the most effective gold standard in OBGYN and can be very effective in almost all gynecological conditions. And then the last 4 is guarantees that we can offer our patients in their best interests. So 4 guarantees is, first of all, the most important one is no hysterectomy. We guarantee that there will be no hysterectomy conducted. Secondly is that we guarantee that there will be no recurrence of this condition. For example, you have adenomyosis or uterine fibroids, and our 414 treatment system guarantees that once you remove this fibroid or adenomyoma, there will be no recurrence within a 2-year period. And then the third guarantee is that we will guarantee to not conduct transabdominal surgery. We will only be conducting minimally invasive laparoscopic or hysteroscopic procedure, because transabdominal is also can cause complications. For example, pelvic adhesions, pelvic infections can affect your fertility and also cause further complications. So we avoid that. We guarantee that that will not happen. And the final guarantee is that we will be not using any form of blood transfusion. So we will only be using the autologous blood recovery system, using the patient's blood only, so there will be no complications of any blood incompatibility, some autoimmune diseases, conditions. All of these can be avoided with our 414 treatment system. So we have very specifically designed the system to protect women from hysterectomy and to let them know that these conditions can be treated regardless of what other hospitals or other doctors can what they are saying, because hysterectomy is usually their approach, and that not only removes your fertility, causes destructive side effects. It's not necessary, and it can be treated here at Antai Hospital with 414 treatment system. All of these come with full refund guarantee. If you do not achieve treatment outcome, satisfactory one, then we offer you full refund guarantee. We take full responsibility and full obligation with our patient. Now, get in touch with us if you'd like to find out more information via the website, set up an online consultation, find out more information about our 414 treatment system, probably the only one offering such treatment systems in the world right now.